Do you want the perfect manicure that's easy to do and affordable too? Then try out these nail stamping tips and tricks now. Things you need: nail stamper, image plate, scraper, nail polish, top coat, earbuds. Take off any nail polish residue and file your nails to prep them for the process. Not only is this technique a lot of fun, but it doesn't even require you to be neat. Pick a few of your favorite bright nail polish colors and using the applicator itself, draw different size dots onto the nail stamper. Firmly press the stamper onto your nails and watch how the colors merge to create an amazing marbled effect. Don't worry if each of your nails turns out differently, because this is the beauty of marble art. Once this layer has dried, finish off your masterpiece with a clear top coat and you're done. Start by applying 2 coats of a base color of your choice and make sure it dries completely before you start the process of stamping. Choose a design from your image plate and cover it with the polish. Get your scraper, position it at a 45-degree angle and pull it firmly across the image so that the polish is forced into the pattern. Put the stamper on the image and lightly press it over the plate in a rolling motion so it picks up the polish on the image. Transfer the image from the stamper to the nail by lining up the edges of the image and the nail, firmly pressing the stamper across your nail in a rolling motion. Wait for the polish to dry and finish off with a glossy top coat. Clean your stamping plates and stamper after every use. Once again, start by applying 2 coats of your main base polish and let it dry completely. This time we'll be using 2 colors for the stamping process instead of 1. So choose a design from your image plate and paint the 2 colors one below the other to cover the entire design. Pull the scraper firmly across the painted image to scrape off any excess polish. Then lightly press the stamper onto the image plate and transfer the image onto your nail. Apply a top coat and you get a beautiful ombre effect. Remember that at the end of the day, only practice makes one perfect. So put together your stamping kit and start experimenting now. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.